Celebrating 35 years of production at the Sunderland plant, Nissan has commissioned a very special conversion of the Nissan Bluebird, the first car off the factory's production line, in 1986. Called the Newbird, the one-off project car is powered by the 100% electric drivetrain of a Nissan LEAF. The original petrol combustion engine and gearbox were removed, and a LEAF motor, inverter and 40 kilowatts battery pack installed, with the battery modules split between the engine bay and boot, for optimized weight distribution. Updates and modifications were made to the power steering, braking and heating systems, to enable them to be electrically powered. A custom suspension was also installed, to support the additional weight from the battery packs. The car is recharged through the original fuel flap, which provides access to the charging port. The battery can be recharged at up to 6.6 kilowatts, and the original driver instrument panel has been connected to the EV system, to enable the fuel gauge to show the battery state of charge. Although not homologated, the vehicle's range from a single charge is estimated at around 130 miles, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just under 15 seconds.